Okay, Eliza, open your gifts from Grampy and Tutu. Here, you just gotta pull it off. Yeah, just tear it. I don't know, let's open it. Yeah, baby. Alright, what else did she get you? Open another one. Yeah. No, you can open this one. Open this one.
What is that? It's a cow.
Yeah.
It's a little cow.
It's a crown and a wand. Alright, here, open this one.
What is that?
It's a little bear book. Alright, open this one. Here, you just gotta slide this off. The other side. Now we gotta get the other side. What's the, you have the turtles. Alright, let's open the other one. Here, open this one. Right here. It's a backpack. It's a backpack. Look. Look, it's a backpack. Oh, look, there's stuff in the backpack. Here's some socks. A little hat. How pretty. I bet Tutu made that all by herself. Hair clips. Ooh, look at the Little Mermaid. And Tinkerbell. It's a backpack, Eliza. We can take it to daycare. Alright, one more. Open the one right behind you. It's a book. Open it.
This is a gift for you, Eliza.
It's
and
Tutu.
it's being read to you by Tutu. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
Yeah, yeah, tomorrow. Say thank you, Grampy and Tutu. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.